Welcome everyone, you may be trying to open up a game on your Xbox Series S, and when you do, you get an error code 0x803f8001. So the reason why this happens is because you do not have the game either properly installed on your Xbox Series S or you don't own the game anymore. Alright, so let's say you have Xbox Game Pass or EA Game Pass, whatever it's called, the EA version, and you were using that in order to play, let's say, Minecraft or Battlefield on your Xbox Series S. Once that subscription expires, you will not be able to access those games anymore, and that is why you get that error. If you have purchased the game, you own the game, and you're still getting that error, well, what that means is the files haven't been downloaded. So in order to fix that, let's say PUBG here isn't loading up, we'll go on the Xbox controller, we'll click on Start, and then we'll find Magic Games and Add-ons, and we'll select this one, and then we'll click on PUBG Battlegrounds, we'll have a game, and just make sure you select all right here. If there's multiple, select all, save changes, and most likely you have to download some files. Another thing as well is if you use, let's say, an external storage device or an external, expansion, like I have a Seagate expansion. If you, let's say, on your Xbox One, installed games via the disk and then transferred those over to your Xbox Series S, or you used, games on the disk on your Xbox Series S, X even, and transferred to the Xbox Series S, those games simply will not work. You might think, oh, but I own a disc. Well, you need the disc inserted in order for the game to load up. And of course, you can't insert a disc on the Xbox Series S, and they blocked any external disc drives, even though the PS5, the digital edition, supports it. They clearly did that for the money's sake, so you'd buy digital games only. So while it sucks, that's just something you have to live with. So with that being said, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.